weights are created equal, right? Wrong. I am passionate about the shape of our D-Weights because of the way they work your arms a little bit differently. Now, of course, the DanceBody workout is not your traditional weight training workout. That means we're holding our weights in a different way. How we do this is we reach all the way through the center of the weight as opposed to gripping a weight very tightly. What's the reasoning for this? Well, when you grip a weight very tight like this, you're really causing stress to go all the way through the arm, all the way up into your shoulder, right where you don't want to feel it. For us, if you open those fingers up, reaching and elongating through the weight, you will actually feel the energy traveling out of the arm, out of the shoulder, so it's not being held. I'm going to take you through a couple of movements you will see in class all the time so that you know what I'm talking about. For example, let's start with this move. You'll see this move in class every time you come. Now, this is our check mark move. You'll notice that my elbow is away from my body. That is on purpose. We don't want our elbow towards our bodies where we're not activated. We want it out and away, relaxed in the shoulders. And you'll notice my fingertips are reaching all the way through. I'm not gripping tight. I'm nice and relaxed. From here, we unwrap that arm and again, reaching through the top part of that weight. Very, very different than traditional weight training, which would be like, Another movement you'll see all the time is a transverse rotation. Well, what does that mean? That means we're rotating around the arm while keeping the elbow lifted. That is very important to access the back of the arm. So you'll notice with our palms facing up, we're now activating the triceps, the back of the arm. Now, keep that elbow right where it is. Oof, unwrap, 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 and opening outward just like that. That is a killer workout for your arms, rotating it back, rotating it forward. That transverse movement is wonderful, and it's facilitated by the D-Weights by reaching through them, not gripping them. Just a little bit different than traditional training. At DanceBody, we believe in low resistance and high reps. Available in both 2 and 3 pounds, our D-Weights will absolutely step up your sculpt game.